going on, guys? It's gonna be first day of teardown on this LS that we're gonna be working on. We're gonna start by taking apart the front first, getting that all taken care of, and then we're gonna start from valve covers and taking off the head today. Hopefully, we don't sound nothing crazy, but sooner or later, we're gonna be taking apart the timing cover, taking the chain out, and then we're gonna flip it around and take the pan off and see how those bearings look. We'll probably get clips of everything being fast forward while we take it apart. Hopefully these studs don't give us too much of an issue. But now we got my buddy John, expert welder over here. But I said we get down to it, man.
Young rich niggas, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Woo, 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 woo. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a cool. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Woo. Beat the whole walls loose. Hop in the frog. Woo. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Bank rolls on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick of voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the oozing. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, baby. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue.
Alright guys, so we finally got the head off on this thing. Not too bad. Hey, where's the flashlight? Right there. Honestly, not bad, but
For being a junkyard motor,
Yeah, for real. Junk road.
Definitely.
We're definitely gonna cross hatch it because it's when it's smooth like a mirror. That's not what you want. You want to see cross hatching. Right now, Marco's pulling the lifters out.
Pues eso.
You got it, bro?
You gotta be gentle with it.
I'm not focused right.
Terrible.
What's it?
Oh, too bad.
It'll focus.
Don't know. We'll see. Whatever the cost on some lifters might be, just depends. What
Well,
the
if
budget
you
is.
see lifters fucked up, then your cam's fucked up. But to the naked eye, with some regular wear.
So far.
Y'all putting these back over here? This is what we got so far over here.
Yes, sir. Let's go right there.
Putting them all together?
Yep.
Got the heads off. We do have a couple broken studs. More broken studs. There's 2 over there. 1 right here.
Had one get stripped.
I think the last one over there is messed up too. So it's only the ends that are messed up. Rockers. Here's the head. I don't see no damage. No cracks. We'll do a better exam on them. Make sure they're good. We'll get these cleaned off. That way we could check for cracks. Head gaskets. But yeah, I'm about to take the front apart now. Hopefully get a little time lapse of that.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We don't
sir.
get it done. We don't get it done. We don't get it done.
All the time. Coffee goes cold, your name on my tongue. Every old love song sounds like us. Check my phone, nothing from you. Got it forever, fade so soon. If you don't love me, say it, say it. Stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me, stay with me. Please don't leave, please don't leave. Say you need me, cause I can't breathe, can't breathe. Stay with me, stay with me. Don't let it go, let it go. If you leave me, leave, I'll be alone. Hands by the door, I count the cracks across the floor. Every wall talk, turn into air. You were beside me, now you're not there. All of our plans and cardboard dreams packed in a box that no one sees. I play our nights back frame by frame, searching for when you slip through me. Stay with me, stay with me. Please don't leave, please don't leave. Say you need me, cause I can't breathe, can't breathe. Stay with me, stay with me. Don't let it go, let it go. If you leave me, leave, I'll be alone.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
Make sure you ain't got no bolts left. Make sure you look around. Dang, man. There's always one bolt left, huh?
There's always an extra one somewhere.
Yeah, just look it up straight up. Let me see. Yeah, it's pretty dirty, but there's no glitter. Yeah, where's the flashlight? It's right there. That's good though. I'd rather see no glitter. Now we gotta take, what is this called again?
I don't know what that's called.
The fucking oil guard flash deal, pickup tube and shit. Got another pickup tube can get stuck on that fucking oil pump. All right. Hold on. All right, guys, we're finna take off the cover for the oil pump. See how bad this thing is. Got it? Check for any scarring or, you know, if this thing starts for oil. This thing looks good. I don't see any scarring. Not even on the back. I mean, you can see some something, but it don't look bad. This is a junkyard motor, so we don't really know how many miles are on this thing. We just kind of just pulled it out. But overall, I mean, this thing looks pretty good in pretty good shape. This looks promising, so tells us a lot about the motor. And we're about to get ready to pull the cam out, and then after that, we're gonna take off the crank and get a real good idea of what kind of life this engine had. So, yeah. It's good to me. All right, guys, Marco finna do the honors of pulling up this cam.
You have the music on in the background?
Yeah. Hopefully we got enough room because we're close. Yeah, get that shaft out of there, baby. Nice and slow. Hey, yo, hey, yo. Hey, you got a mic too now, man. I'm gonna pull that thing.
Hey, I got one of these too.
That's your first cam ever
This
held,
shit?
huh?
We don't need that.
We don't need that.
Just wait till.
Well, we still gotta look at it.
Wait till you see what we got. There's actually scarring.
Hold it right there. Let's fucking stay on focus. But we also gotta look at these too. You
For
know,
all we know, this is a 200K mile camshaft.
honestly, it held up. That thing could have lasted a little longer too. John, you want to hold the camshaft? You want to hold this shaft? You want to hold this shaft?
You want to touch it? Damn.
But yeah, guys, we finally got that cam out. Now we gotta look at the bearings, and hopefully those aren't too messed up. Because if they are, a lot more work has to be done. But I got high hopes. Everything looks good so far. Alright guys, so finally getting the bearings out. This is piston number 1. Honestly, I don't see any scarring or anything like that. That would worry me. Definitely had some life though. I think they were definitely needed to replace though. Well, that was just piston number 1, so we're gonna get down to the rest of them and kind of see which one's the worst one, if any of them are pretty bad. But that was piston number 1. Piston rings. None of them are missing. None of them are broke. There is some scarring on the side of the piston here that worries me. Once we flip back around, we'll check the whole piston and make sure it's actually okay to use. You know. We also got to slide these out. There's a certain way to pull these out, but yeah, we'll keep going at it. Hey John, let's just put the pistons over here. This is cylinder. Alright guys, so we got all the pistons out, all the bearings. Crankshaft looks amazing. No scarring whatsoever. Maybe some scarring, but it ain't bad. This is an original crankshaft, so
As much scarring as if you were dry wiping.
dry wiping my nuts on your face.
At the end of this engine build, we're gonna have enough information to take them as gay.
Nah, fuck you. But honestly, everything looks great. They definitely are worn just because of how shiny they are. But nothing is scarring. It hasn't been overheated. It don't look like it too much, at least. They definitely did their oil changes on this thing. Got my buddy John. Big thanks to John. I know you don't want to be part of the video, but he's a real one.
Part 2 is gonna be the not so fun part. Cleaning.
Yeah, we're in here.
Part 3. Part 3.
Part 3,
Part 2 is the takedown. Part 3 is the.
cleaning process.
I think
We're thinking about painting this block. We're not going to say which color yet, but we are going to be painting this block. Right now it's already painted black.
I honestly think the hardest thing is gonna be wiring up that spindle release unit. Even though it's plug and play,
It's still going to be, we still got to figure out what we need to disconnect.
we got about like 2 wires to figure out.
Yeah.
But, that's why they come with diagrams. It's not gonna be something easy.
Now we got to take these caps off and actually look at the bearings for the crank. And hopefully she's doing all right.
We got 120 some days, but still, rebuilding, building, swapping it into a new thing.
Buying everything.
We gotta switch the power steering noses, the cooling.
You also got to think about lead times on these parts you're going to be ordering too.
We're trying to keep it a budget, but we're still trying to have some nice goodies in it.
Something decent.
120 some days. Hopefully make it out to 6 stripping engine.
Texas Heat Wave is coming up.
We'll try posting and shit, maybe we can get some sponsorship.
That'd be pretty dope. I don't know. That's your baby right there. All right, we're not fucking
That's
flexing.
40.
That's not 40. That's like 25.
Because that's not 25, bro. I know what 25 is. That's my go-to at the gym. All right,
Talk about it. Give him a little bit of
this is combobulator.
combobulation.
Makes the other thing spinning.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be a little difficult. Yeah, I didn't see that. Where's the towel at? Oh, I was gonna use them to clean my hands.
Gotta keep the stand clean.
You already got it dirty. Anyway. Alright, let's check out these main cap bearings. This will really tell us a lot. Look at them, man. Come on, come on. These things look new.
We'll probably still replace them just in case. It's about $50.
Yeah. Replace them for sure. But
It's just good in mind.
you know this is the first time this motor's been ever taken apart just because of how tight those caps were onto that crank. Yeah, you heard me. Said you were tight. But right now, we're just cleaning these up, get a better look at them, you know, give us a good example how well this motor was taken care of back in its day. Come on in my office, man. Our thrust bearing looks pretty good. Some scarring from wear. This one looks the worst. Either the worst or the best. I can't tell if it's, you know, I've never really taken apart bearings like these. But we're going to get a whole new set, new bearings, new seals. We still got to see how well the bearing seals are. You know, this one looks still rough already, bro. The whole thing is going to get replaced. You're talking about honing the sleeves of the motor, all new seals, rear main seal, all new bearings, push rods, valve springs, timing chain, oil pump, lifters. What else? What else am I missing? Water pump, pulleys, all that. Yeah. But honestly, this engine, for being a junkyard motor, this ain't too bad. Yeah, we need to change the oil pan on it so it can fit the truck. Break it in a little bit. Crank. Come on over here, Marco. Show them the crank. We're going to get it polished up for sure. Take it to the machine shop so they can polish it. But, let me pick it up. We'll bring it to the motor.
He's trying to hold it his grandfather.
Huh? Shut up. Hopefully I don't drop
He's one of those guys, when he gets up off the couch.
Gotta make a noise. That's how it sounds. Anyway, the only thing that concerns me on this crank is this right here, but you can't really feel it even with your nail. All this stuff looks great, dude. This looks like it was just a regular grandpa rig, you know? They've done their oil changes. This block ain't too bad. Here in a minute, we'll turn this whole thing over so you can see the sleeves where the piston was riding on. But yeah, everything was fucking good. I'm pretty excited. You excited? Are you? All right, let's get this thing out of here. Good job. This is water. Totally not brake clean. Right, John? Water.
Look at that. Oil can.
Let me get these out of the way. Get these in order. What on your finger? Oh. Let me get the flashlight. The flashlight. I mean, where's it at? Oh. Alright, bring it over here, Marco. Bring a video of the walls. Your walls.
The insides.
Should we just shoot them with brake clean? Alright, let me get this towel. That's the motor we're looking at. Yeah, these walls definitely got to be rehoned. We'll try rehoning them. See how it comes out, and if we still see a lot of scarring, we're gonna have to take it to the shop, machine shop. I am talking to the audience.
No, you were.
Are you gonna show the walls? This
Scared me a little bit.
This guy. I'm just cleaning the fucking wall, man. This is cylinder number 7. 5. Honestly, yeah, we're gonna have to rehome these pretty good.
You see where that piston was banging up on the side? Pretty much every one.
We could get something and try to clean this up. Check for cracks. Hopefully we don't see nothing. But right now we're at a bare block. We got everything we need to take it apart. Hopefully we get this thing going here soon. But I think it's gonna cut it for today, guys. Next video will probably be a while after we start getting parts coming in. That's the next deal we gotta start working on, is getting parts coming in for this thing.
Gotta clean.
And clean. We gotta prep the surface. We'll probably do that off camera, honestly, because I mean, no one wants to see that. Just sanding. We gotta verify that these heads are flat, and then go on from there. Really, I think the next video will probably be at Texas Heat Wave. Hopefully, we'll get my truck out there. I'm planning on getting some new wheels this Saturday. 24x14, so I'll make a little YouTube short about that. I don't know if I want to actually make a video on that. I gotta go all the way to Johnson City, Texas. But y'all stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it.